Are you an introvert wondering what careers are best suited for your rather introspective and independent nature? Or do you often feel like you kind of have to put on that mask of extroversion? You know what I'm talking about, in order to succeed at freelancing or starting your own business? Well, as an introvert, I've been there, and today I want to share with you why I think grant writing would be a phenomenal career for you as an introvert. Let's dive in. So, what is an introvert? You probably have some caricature in your head of someone who is, likely very shy or hates people, and just wants to live under a rock somewhere. Well, not so much. It's really just the type of person who enjoys spending time alone in order to recharge, especially, when having to go through a lot of social events. They tend to be pretty reserved and prefer less stimulating environments and enjoys a smaller group of friends. Now, of course, not all introverts are going to fit into that standard, and it's generally on some sort of spectrum or perhaps a situational introversion. But some of the best qualities of introverts is really their ability to be good listeners, and they're highly observant. They are empathetic, compassionate, independent, and disciplined people. And if you're an introvert, you're likely skilled at relationship building and drawn to more meaningful connections, which is an invaluable skill in the marketplace and especially good for getting and keeping clients for your business. So, what makes grant writing a great career for an introvert? Well, I'd like to submit three reasons. First, working in the nonprofit space requires empathy and compassion. And because this is typically your nature, you can truly find meaning and purpose in helping nonprofit organizations who, work on an issue that you deeply care about to, find and win the funding needed to make an impact or solve a real problem. You can leverage your care and empathy to advocate and improve the lives of others. And what's more meaningful and impactful than that? Second, your introspection, keen observation, and attention to detail is exactly what's required in a grant writer. When researching grants, it's more than merely scrolling through a grant database, right? There's so many details and factors to consider when confirming grant alignment, program alignment, and your ability to hone in on those details and see things that others might not see will serve you and your clients very well. And this also serves you well when it comes to following strict guidelines and improving your knowledge of the grant process, which of course, we're always here to help you with in the Global Grant Writers Collective. And third, your independence and ability to be self sufficient is a huge strength for when you're working on tasks that require a lot of focus, like grant research or the various steps to writing a winning grant proposal. Now, to do your best work, especially for larger grants, you may want a team, and we always encourage our members to link up and work together on projects as a small team. But I think those moments of solitude between working with your team and, working on your product can truly strike that balance that you typically need. And your ability to listen reflectively and build meaningful relationships is perfect for fostering strong teams and collaborating with colleagues. So, if you're an introvert, know that you can truly succeed in any career. And grant writing is one of those careers that is perfect not only for introverts, but extroverts and multi passionate people alike. Of course, I'm biased, but it's social impact focused. It's one where you can sleep good at night knowing that you're making a real difference in this world. So, if you think grant writing would be a good fit for you, whether you are looking to start a new career or freelance on the side, if you're a stay-at-home parent looking to make some extra income, hey, I've been there, and we would love to chat with you about the Global Grant Writers Collective. So you can click the link in the description box for more information on the collective and what we're all about and how we can help you jumpstart your grant writing career or find that next job or whatever your dreams may be. There's a place for you. Don't forget to subscribe to the Learn Grant Writing channel for more content on all things grant writing, freelancing, you name it. Like the video, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can be notified when more videos drop. So until next time, thanks for watching.